From the Tennessee Valley Weather Center, this is your afternoon weather update.
Beautiful weather on this Sunday afternoon, but a little warm though as we head through our first day of October across the Tennessee Valley. Here's your hourly forecast for today. Mostly sunny skies out there. Just a few clouds here and there, but nothing to block the sun. Daytime highs up into the upper 80s this afternoon, and a few folks, especially northwest Alabama, northeast Mississippi, back toward Hardin County, Tennessee, may be near 90 or 91 this afternoon for daytime highs, falling quickly back into the 70s after sunset this evening, and then into the 60s overnight. And I think morning lows are going to be somewhere in the lower 60s. A few folks briefly maybe into the upper 50s. Here's a look at the Arctic Air Skycam Network. This is the Lawrenceburg location, looking live down North Locust Avenue here back toward town from the water tower in front of Walmart. And you see a few bugs flying around out there at this midday. 81 degrees already, dew point is up to 64 with a south wind barely measurable at 1 mile per hour. We'll slide down to the University of North Alabama in Florence, and 82 degrees here with a 65 degree dew point, light east wind at 3 miles per hour at both locations. Just a few puffy clouds out there. Plenty of sunshine and October cobalt blue sky. Temperatures as of the midday hour here, 82 degrees at the airport in Lawrenceburg, as well as in Florence, Alabama, 78 in Athens, 77 in Columbia, 79 in Russellville, but we're up to 81 now for Decatur, Alabama, Savannah, Tennessee, 80 in Hohenwald, Tennessee, as well as Iuka in northeastern portions of Mississippi. Satellite and radar composite looks like this today, and not really looking at too much out there, just a little bit in the way of cloud cover over North Alabama, as we've seen a very weak disturbance overnight move across Tennessee into Alabama. No rain associated with that, but it has perked up the cloud cover just a little bit, mainly south of our viewing area. Plenty of sunshine today though, and no rain chances around, and that's going to mean daytime highs well up into the mid-upper 80s. Few folks briefly into the lower 90s, which is mostly sunny skies. Futurecast actually overdoing the cloud cover this afternoon into this evening, falling back into the 70s during the evening after sunset, 60s overnight, and most of us getting down to the low to mid 60s. A few folks may try to sneak closer to 59 or 60 than what you see on Futurecast here for morning lows, but most of us between 60 and 65 or so. As we head through our Monday, partly cloudy skies again, daytime highs back up into the mid to upper 80s, and once again, just like today, few folks in North Alabama and northeast Mississippi may be into the lower 90s. But that warm weather is short-lived, but we have to get through the next few days before we get to relief from the warmer weather as we head through our week here. A southerly flow starts to set up by midweek, still staying mostly sunny through Tuesday, even Wednesday partly cloudy. It's Thursday when changes start to get ready to happen. As the cold front approaches the area, you see showers and thunderstorms off to the west Thursday morning, west of the Mississippi River. Those will weaken as they move in, but a few remaining showers look to be possible across our area late Thursday night, into Friday ahead of a cold front that brings cooler air to the area late week in the weekend. But the bad news is, like many October cold fronts we usually see, rain chances have been going down in the model data as we've gotten closer. Here's the forecast rain totals from the National Weather Service for the next 7 days, and you can see most all of us at most may see 1/10 of an inch of rain with that front. Some folks may not even see this. It's not going to be a case where everybody gets rain. Just a few scattered showers are possible, and then a turn to cooler air by Friday and especially the weekend ahead. So mid-80s here for the next few days through Wednesday. Morning lows in the low to mid-60s. Closer to 80 degrees on Thursday, but that's because of an increase in cloud cover with that cold front coming through and a few showers. But behind the front Friday, daytime highs well down into the mid-70s, and then maybe even lower 70s, if not upper 60s, for the weekend ahead for daytime highs, with morning lows well down into the 50s, if not the upper 40s. I'll show you the 7-day here in just a moment. But today, it's on the warm side, running several degrees above average. We're usually between 80 and 82 as we start October. We are heading into the upper 80s and lower 90s this afternoon across the area, falling back into the low to mid 60s for morning lows as we head toward daybreak early on your Monday morning. Here's your 7-day forecast. Mostly sunny through Tuesday. Clouds start to move in Wednesday. Mid to upper 80s here the next several days. No rain chances through Wednesday. And then late Thursday and Friday, maybe a few showers with the front moving through. And then check out the temperatures by Saturday. Lower 70s for daytime highs with partly cloudy skies. Morning lows in the lower 50s. And just beyond the 7-day forecast, maybe upper 60s by next Sunday for daytime highs and morning lows next Sunday morning, maybe down to the mid to upper 40s. There's a look at your latest 7-day forecast. I'll be back this evening with another check of your local weather.